And what else did I get? Because I didn't want to pay for shipping, and I needed these. Anyhow, I was just kind of planning on getting them later. But it doesn't really matter. Look. Oh, okay. Fushing. Fushing! I am really sorry that I'm not using a tripod. It is the box. It is the plastic wrap. More crystals. Oh, these don't come with the little things, but I have little things to finish off my chandelier with. So that'll be pretty. The chandelier is not really staying in here. I just kind of put it in here so it wouldn't get broken because it's all glass. It's a real crystal glass. So I'll put some of those on the bottom of it and it will be considered finished. Okay, there we go. It is finished. Do you like it? Oh, now all I have to do is finish the Twinkie. Oh, those are pretty. That's really pretty. Really picks up the colors.